Hello everyone, welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. Today we will demonstrate how to create a Maven project using command prompt. So here is the official documentation of Apache Maven project, and here they have given a few prerequisites which are nothing but first we have to install Java in our machine and also Maven in our machine. So here they have given the links also to download and install the Maven. So, if you want to learn how to install Maven in your machine, we have created a separate video for that. We will give the link in the comment section. Please refer to that. And once installed, you can check with Maven -- version command. So here it will say what is the version of the Maven installed and where is it located, and also what is the Java version installed and where is it located and what is the JRE location of that everything it will give. Then now we will go to the next section, which is creating the project. So here they have given a command to run to create the project. Let me copy that and paste here. I think it didn't got properly copied. Let me copy again. Here is the command. Now we will walk through all these command values. The first one is mvn, which is nothing but the maven command to run any maven goal. The second one is archetype, which is a toolkit to generate and create the projects. And here we have given the goal of the archetype, which is generate, which will generate the project. And then we have a group ID and then artifact ID. So let us learn what is the group ID and what is the artifact ID. If you can see here, here is the Maven repository where I have opened the MySQL connector dependency or jar of the Maven. So now you can see here there is a com.mysql and there is a MySQL connector J, and there is one more thing 9.2.0. So now the com.mysql is the group ID. It is a group where all the MySQL libraries will be available under one group, and then a separate MySQL connector, which is the actual artifact ID or project ID or jar ID. You can see here the one more thing as 9.2.x and especially 9.2.0. If we can go inside this one, you can see the version. So here what we can understand is com.mysql is the group ID, MySQL connector J is the artifact ID, which is nothing but the jar ID or project ID. Then 9.2.0 is the version. So here let us go back to the actual command. You can see here I have given com.mycompany.app as the group ID. I can create so many artifacts inside this group. And particularly, I want to create the project with the name my app. And there is one more parameter here, which is archetype, artifact ID, and its version. So it is nothing but the toolkits which are required to quick start and start the Maven project. So you can see here I have opened the command from this location, which is cmd project. Now let me go to this folder. You can see there is nothing. Now, once I hit this command, a project will be created. So you can see here, once the build is successful, it gave us the information like group ID and its value, and artifact ID and its value, and the version. By default, it will start with the 1.0 snapshot version, and the package, all the values it will give here. And you can see here the project has been created. There is a structure, standard project structure, which we can observe from the official document whether it got created in our project or not. So the home, root directory is my app. You can see here the root directory is my app. Then we have pom.xml. You can also see here we have the pom.xml. We will go deep dive into the pom.xml in the upcoming videos. Then we have source. So we can see here the source folder. And in the source folder, you have two subdirectories, main and test. The main directory is the actual directory where we have the source code. And you can see here main will have Java and whatever the name of the project, whatever the name of the uh, group, it will be here. And you can see here the app.java, which is the main, which will have the main will be displayed here. You can see here, this is the main class of this project. And also the test directory. The directory, we will go to the test directory as well. The same structure with the test of that file. We can conduct unit tests from here. So here is a short video on how to create the project. Let us deep dive into every component of this later. Thank you.